Hello, my dear students. Welcome all of you in your English class. As you knew that we are discussing about the lesson 1.1 An Astrologer's Day written by famous Indian English novelist R.K. Narayan. Today we will discuss the part 3 video of this lesson. So, dear students, before the starting of actual lecture, just try to remember the key points that we discussed in our previous lecture with the help of next slide. So here you can see the points that we discussed in our previous lecture. We talk about the setting of an astrologer's business. Then we also discussed about astrologer's routine while he was doing his business. Then we had a discussion regarding his past life experience, that how he became astrologer. And finally, we discussed about some simple tricks used by an astrologer to impress his customers. की या पूर्वीच्या व्हिडिओच्या माध्यमातून आपण ज्योतिषीची व्यवसायाची जागा, त्याचा दिनक्रम, तसेच ज्योतिषाचा भूतकाळ आणि ग्राहकांना प्रभावित करण्यासाठी तो वापरत असणाऱ्या विविध युक्त्यांविषयी चर्चा केली आहे. So now students, get ready for the discussion of the remaining part of the lesson. Students, you are aware about the routine of the astrologer. Now let us see what happened at the end of the day with that astrologer. You know that astrologer was sitting under a huge tamarind tree that near town hall park, and he was searching for some customers, and he was doing his business. And now the nuts vendor blew out his flare and rose to go home. It's a evening time or night time over there, and because of that, other people, they are just winding up their businesses and they are moving towards their houses. की ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजरच्या जवळ असणारा तो जो काही शेंगदाणे विक्रेता आहे, त्याने त्याच्या दिव्याची ज्योत विझवली आणि तो आता घरी जाण्यासाठी उठला होता. दिस वॉज ए सिग्नल फॉर द ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर टू बंडल अप टू, सिन्स इट लेफ्ट हिम इन डार्कनेस except for a little shaft of green light which strayed in from somewhere and touched the ground before him. So now, whenever that groundnut vendor, he blew out his flare, um, that was the indication for the astrologer to wind up his business also. की त्या ग्राउंडनट वेंडरने, त्या शेंगदाणे विक्रेत्याने ज्यावेळेस त्याच्या दिव्याची ज्योत विझवली, तो प्रसंग म्हणजे ज्योतिषासाठी देखील त्याचा व्यवसाय बंद करण्याचा संकेत होता. बट this astrologer was even though doing his business under a little shaft of green light, की कुठून तरी जमिनीवरती येऊन पडणाऱ्या हिरव्या प्रकाश झोतामध्ये आणि त्याचबरोबर अंधारातच तो ज्योतिषी त्याचा व्यवसाय करत होता. Then he picked up his cowrie shells and paraphernalia and was putting them back into his bag when the green shaft of light was blotted out. So when he was doing his business in that very small rays of green light, but that green light also disappeared over there, and so he picked up all his equipments and he was putting all those equipments in his bag. And so in this way, this astrologer, he also stopped his business. की अचानकपणे तो जो काही हिरवा प्रकाश येत होता तो देखील दिसेनासा झाला. आणि त्याचबरोबर हा जो काही ज्योतिषी आहे त्याने देखील त्याचे ज्योतिषीचे सर्व सामान उचलले आणि पिशवीमध्ये ठेवायला सुरुवात केली. So, when astrologer was winding up his business, at the same time he looked up and saw a man standing before him. की स्वतःच्या सामानाची आवराआवर करत असतानाच त्या ज्योतिषाचे लक्ष एका समोर उभ्या असणाऱ्या एका व्यक्तीकडे गेले. ही सेन्स्ड ए पॉसिबल क्लायंट अँड सेड, "यू लुक सो केअरवन. It will do you good to sit down for a while and chat with me." So whenever the astrologer he saw that person, he came to know that this person is looking so sad, and so he asked to that person to chat with him for some time. की स्वतःचा व्यवसाय बंद करत असतानाच ज्यावेळेस ज्योतिषीला समोर एक व्यक्ती उभा दिसला त्यावेळेस तो व्यक्ती म्हणजे त्याचा संभाव्य ग्राहक आहे असे समजून ज्योतिषी त्या व्यक्तीसोबत चर्चा करायला त्या ज्योतिषाने त्या व्यक्तीसोबत चर्चा करायला सुरुवात केली. आणि तो त्या व्यक्तीला म्हणाला की तुम्ही खूपच चिंताग्रस्त दिसत आहात, त्यामुळे थोडा वेळ इथे बसून माझ्यासोबत चर्चा करा. The author grumbled some reply vaguely, so that another person he replied to an astrologer की ज्योतिषाने त्याचे म्हणणे व्यक्त केल्यानंतर तो मनुष्य स्वतःशीच काहीतरी पुटपुटला. The astrologer praised his invitation, whereupon the author thrust his palm under his nose, saying, "You call yourself an astrologer?" So, astrologer was pressing to continue his discussion with that person, and finally that person raised a question for an astrologer, whether you are a real astrologer or not. की तो ज्योतिषी त्या व्यक्तीसोबत चर्चा करत असतानाच तो व्यक्ती ज्योतिषाला प्रश्न विचारतो की तू खरंच ज्योतिषी आहेस का? So in this way, students, there was a little bit discussion between that astrologer and one stranger, and actually that stranger is the second character of our story. So here you can see the picture of that stranger and an astrologer. That stranger is asking some questions to an astrologer. So whenever that stranger he asked regarding that astrologer, the astrologer felt challenged and said, titling to the author's palm towards the green shaft of light, "Yours is the nature." की त्या व्यक्तीने ज्यावेळेस ज्योतिषाला प्रश्न केला की तू खराच ज्योतिषी आहेस का? तो प्रश्न म्हणजे त्या ज्योतिषाला आव्हान दिल्यासारखे वाटले आणि त्यामुळे त्या व्यक्तीचा तळहात हातात घेत ज्योतिषाने त्याचे भविष्य सांगायला सुरुवात केली. But that person said, "Oh, stop that." The author said, "Tell me something worthwhile." So that person he denied whatever that astrologer was telling him. He told the astrologer that you should not talk about my nature and other general things. You have to tell me something important. की ज्यावेळेस तो ज्योतिषी त्या व्यक्तीचे भविष्य सांगायला सुरुवात करतो त्यावेळेस तो व्यक्ती ज्योतिषीला थांबवतो आणि तो म्हणतो, माझ्या स्वभावाविषयी किंवा माझ्या इतर गोष्टींविषयी बोलण्यापेक्षा तू मला महत्त्वाचे आणि मुद्द्याची जी काही गोष्ट आहे तिच्याविषयी माहिती दे. सो इन दिस वे दिस पर्सन वॉज डिस्कसिंग विथ ॲन ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर. Then let's see what happened after that discussion. So our friend felt piqued. I charge only 3 pies per question, and what you get ought to be good enough for your money. So, astrologer, he was really irritated or annoyed की त्या व्यक्तीचे बोलणे ऐकताच ज्योतिषी दुखावला गेला आणि तो त्या व्यक्तीला म्हणाला की मी एका प्रश्नाचे फक्त 3च पैसे घेतो आणि त्या पैशाच्या बदलात मी तुम्हाला जे काही सांगेल ते खरंच महत्त्वाचे आहे. At this the author withdrew his arm, took out an anna, and flung it out to him, saying, I have some questions to ask. If I prove you are bluffing, you must return that anna to me with interest. So that person, he said to an astrologer, you can give answers for some of my questions, then I will provide some extra money to you. But if your answers will be wrong, then you have to return my money with interest. की तो व्यक्ती त्या ज्योतिषीला 1 आणा पैसे देतो आणि त्याला म्हणतो की माझ्या जर सर्व प्रश्नांची उत्तरे तुम्ही बरोबर दिलीत तर हे सर्व पैसे तुमचे, आणि जर तुम्ही मला चुकीची उत्तरं दिली तर तुम्ही एक फसवे ज्योतिषी आहात आणि तुमच्याकडे जे काही पैसे आहेत ते मला व्याजासहित परत करायचे आहे. If you find my answers satisfactory, will you give me 5 rupees? Then that person said no. Astrologer asked that person to offer 5 rupees for his correct answers. की ज्योतिषी त्या व्यक्तीला म्हणतो की मी दिलेली उत्तरे जर समाधानकारक असतील तर तू मला 5 रुपये देणार का? परंतु तो व्यक्ती नकार देतो. Or will you give me 8 annas? Then that person said, all right, provided you give me twice as much if you are wrong, said the stranger, and this pact was accepted after a little further argument. So in this way, both of them, they are discussing about a pact in between them, and finally both of them agreed. Means if the astrologer is telling the true things, then that unknown person, that customer, he will offer some money to the astrologer, and if the astrologer is telling some lies, then astrologer has to give back twice as much he was having with him to that stranger. की ज्योतिषाने जर चुकीचे उत्तर दिले तर त्या चुकीच्या उत्तराच्या बदल्यात त्या अनोळखी व्यक्तीला त्याने दुप्पट पैसे द्यायचे, आणि जर ज्योतिषाची उत्तरे बरोबर असतील तर त्या अनोळखी व्यक्तीने पैसे देण्याचे मान्य केले, आणि अशा प्रकारचा दोघांमध्ये करार झाला. Then after this pact, there was a twist in the story. The astrologer sent up a prayer to heaven as the author lit a cheroot. The astrologer got a glimpse of his face by the matchlight. So whenever both of these people were discussing about the pact or challenge in between them, at the same time that person he started to smoke a cigar over there. Cheroot means cigar. And at the same time, astrologer, he got a glimpse of his face. Means in Marathi, we can call it as a means a ग्लिम्स. इट मीन्स एक त्या व्यक्तीच्या चेहऱ्याची एक झलक ज्योतिषाला दिसली. अँड देर वॉज ए पॉज ॲज कार्स हुटेड ऑन द रोड. जुटका ड्रायव्हर्स सोड ॲट देअर हॉर्सेस अँड द बॅबल ऑफ द क्राऊड agitated the semi-darkness of the park. So whenever this astrologer he came across the glimpse of that stranger's face, he was surprised over there. की त्या काडेपिटीच्या उजेडात त्या अनोळखी व्यक्तीच्या चेहऱ्याची एक झलक ज्योतिषाला दिसते आणि त्या चेहऱ्याची झलक दिसताच ज्योतिषी पूर्णपणे आश्चर्यचकित होतो. And at the same time, other things are just going on as usual. The author sat down, sucking his cheroot, puffing out, sat there ruthlessly. And that person, he sat near the astrologer, and he was asking about different things to an astrologer. And due to this, the astrologer felt very uncomfortable. की त्या व्यक्तीच्या चेहऱ्याची झलक दिसल्यानंतर आणि त्या व्यक्तीच्या बोलण्यामुळे ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर म्हणजेच हा ज्योतिषी एकदम अस्वस्थ होतो. हिअर टेक युअर आना बॅक. आय एम नॉट यूज टू सच चॅलेंजेस. इट इज लेट फॉर मी टुडे. अँड देन फायनली ही डिसाइडेड टू गिव्ह बॅक his money to that stranger, and he said that he don't want to continue that challenge because it's too late, and he wanted to go to his house. की आता खूपच उशीर झालेला आहे आणि अशा वेगळ्या आव्हानांची त्याला सवय देखील नाही आहे असं म्हणत तो त्याच्या सामानाची आवराआवर करायला सुरुवात करतो. Then he made preparation to bundle up. The other held his wrist and said, "You can't get out of it now. You dragged me in while I was passing." So whenever that astrologer was packing his things, at the same time that stranger, he held his wrist and he said that an astrologer, he could not get out of that situation now because he himself dragged him in that situation while he was passing from that place. की तो ज्योतिषी त्याच्या सामानाची आवराआवर करत असतानाच तो अनोळखी व्यक्ती त्याचे मनगट पकडतो आणि ज्योतिषाला म्हणतो की मी इथून जात असताना तुम्हीच मला या ठिकाणी बसण्याची विनंती आणि तुमच्यासोबत चर्चा करण्याची विनंती केली, त्यामुळे आता तुम्ही या गोष्टीपासून सुटका करून घेऊ शकत नाही. The astrologer shivered in his grip and his voice shook and became faint. "Leave me today. I will speak to you tomorrow." And this astrologer was making some request to that stranger. And he said that today he couldn't continue his discussion. He will speak with that stranger on tomorrow. की आज खूपच उशीर झालेला आहे, त्यामुळे ज्योतिषी त्या व्यक्तीशी बोलण्यास उत्सुक नाही आहे आणि ज्योतिषी त्या व्यक्तीला सांगतो की तो उद्या येऊन त्याच्या सर्व प्रश्नांची उत्तरे देईल. The author thrust his palm in his face and said, "Challenge is challenge, go on." But that stranger, he didn't want to acquire whatever that astrologer was telling him. He said that both of them, they accepted a challenge, and so now no one can give up this challenge. की त्या दोघांनी एक करार केलेला आहे, एक आव्हान स्वीकारलेलं आहे आणि त्यामुळे आता कोणीही त्या आव्हानापासून दूर जाऊ शकत नाही. द ॲस्ट्रोलॉजर प्रोसिडेड विथ हिज थ्रोट ड्राईंग अप अँड ही सेड, "That is a woman." And finally, astrologer decided to talk about the future of that person. And whenever he was talking about one woman, so let's see what happened after this. "Stop," said the author. So, whenever astrologer was talking about another general concept with that stranger, he ordered the astrologers to stop whatever he was telling him. And he said that, "I don't want all that. Shall I succeed in my present search or not?" की मला माझ्या इतर प्रश्नांची उत्तरे देण्यापेक्षा माझा जो काही महत्त्वाचा प्रश्न आहे त्याचेच उत्तर मला हवे आहे. And then he asked one question to that astrologer, whether he will be succeed in his present search or not. की आता वर्तमान काळामध्ये तो व्यक्ती ज्या गोष्टीचा शोध घेत आहे त्या गोष्टीमध्ये त्याला यश येईल का नाही हा प्रश्न तो व्यक्ती ज्योतिषाला विचारतो. "Answer this and go, otherwise I will not let you go till you discharge all your coins." And he also frightened that astrologer. He said that if you couldn't give the answer properly, then you have to leave all your money over here. की जर तू माझ्या सर्व प्रश्नांची व्यवस्थितरित्या उत्तरे नाही दिली तर तुझ्याजवळचे सर्व पैसे तू मला देऊन टाक. The astrologer muttered a few incantations and replied, "All right, I will speak. But will you give me a rupee if what I say is convincing? Otherwise, I will not open my mouth and you may do what you like." So finally that astrologer he was agreed to talk about the future of that stranger, but he asked some money from that stranger. की शेवटी त्या दोघांमध्ये बराच वेळ चर्चा झाल्यानंतर तो ज्योतिषी त्या व्यक्तीचे भविष्य सांगण्याचे मान्य करतो. परंतु त्याचबरोबर ज्योतिषी त्या व्यक्तीकडून काही पैसे देखील घेण्याचे कबूल करतो. And after a good deal of haggling, the author agreed. And so in this way, finally, both of them, they agreed with the conditions of each other. की या चर्चेच्या शेवटी दोघे देखील त्यांच्यामध्ये असणारा जो काही करार आहे किंवा त्या दोघांनी स्वीकारलेले जे काही आव्हान आहे त्याच्याविषयी सकारात्मकता दर्शवतात. So in this way students, in this video we discussed about what happened at the end of the day. Then we also became aware about another character in this story, and that is the stranger. And we also discussed about the interaction between an astrologer and that stranger. So thank you my dear students. Keep your watching and keep your learning.